socks. And you've got socks with a long sort of leg on it like that. And you're trying to pull it on your foot and it's just absolutely impossible to do. I'm going to give away an old family secret which was developed in Scotland. It's called flyping, flyping your socks. And what you do is you take your sock like that and you put your hand inside it, right down to the toe like that, and you grab hold of the toe, then you grab hold here, and then you pull like that inside out. See? The sock is now inside out. And then you put your hand in it again, right to the toe there, and into the heel. And you hold on to the toe and hold on to the heel and pull. So it's like that. And that's called a flyped sock. Like that. And now, I don't know, the clan might be after me for giving away this secret of flyping your socks. What you do now is you take that and you put it on your foot like that, and then you grab this bit here and then you just pull like that, and your sock's on. Easy as that. Flype your socks. The good old Scottish tip.